litter on this property. Don't
You
loiter.
worry about what you're doing.
Don't
Kick
loiter
rocks.
on this property.
Kick rocks. What crime I've committed?
You're loitering on the property.
I got laundry over. Hey, what are you doing, dude?
You choked me out, then you threw me to the ground, all on video.
If it was so important, you should have been tending to it instead of messing with me.
I was going right now.
Welcome back to the Lackluster channel. Today's story was submitted by Jeff of Holding Cops Accountable, who on September 7th of 2019 was doing his laundry at a local laundromat when he noticed a Fairfield police cruiser in the lot, parked illegally over 4 spots. Jeff began filming to document the plate and vehicle numbers. Shortly after approaching the vehicle, Officer J. Williams backed up the cruiser and drove it towards Jeff, telling him that there is no loitering in the parking lot.
Don't litter on this property. Okay?
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Don't
you
loiter.
worry about what you're doing.
Don't
Kick
loiter
rocks.
on this property.
Kick rocks.
Don't loiter on this
Okay, I'm
property.
going to stand right here. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. You got your car. Your car. Your car. No, I'm not. I'm taking out. What crime I've committed?
You're loitering on the property.
I got laundry
You have
over.
no
I got
legal
laundry.
business
Hey, don't touch me. Hey, what are you doing, dude?
California Penal Code 647H states that anyone who loiters, prowls, or wanders upon the private property of another at any time without visible or lawful business with the owner or occupant is guilty of a misdemeanor. Jeff had a legitimate reason for being in the lot and conveyed it several times to the officer, who took no steps to deny or confirm. Instead, he slapped Jeff's phone to the ground, chokeslams Jeff to the ground, and put his full weight on his back. As Jeff was wrongfully arrested, assaulted, and battered, his phone and the officer's body cam fell to the ground.
I got fucking laundry over there. Hey, I got laundry over there, dude.
You don't get in my face like that.
I got laundry over there.
I got my legal business right over there in that laundry.
Perfect.
Okay. I got legal grounds to be here. That's where you f***ed up. Then you hit me with that car door. Then you smacked me. Then you choked me out. Then you threw me to the ground. All on video. All on video, sir. I gotta go get my laundry right over there in that laundromat. The people, my laundry's over there right now. You want to go over there and find out? Then you're gonna find out how much trouble you're in.
Jeff remains under the officer until backup arrives. He continues to plead his case for about 6 minutes, but no officers bother to check with the laundromat.
I got my laundry.
I heard you 10 times. Your laundry's over there. Great. Don't beat on my car.
I need to go get it. You need a supervisor out here. You need a supervisor out here now.
Yeah, he's on his way. Stop
Okay,
beating on my car.
I gotta go get my laundry. My legal business over at the laundromat.
Then the officer says this.
My laundry's in that laundromat.
You should have been tending to your laundry.
My wife's property's in that laundromat.
If it was so important, you should have been tending to it
I
instead of
was
messing
going
with
there. I
me.
was going right now. Then you said I'm loitering. I'm not loitering. I'm gonna go get my property.
That statement seems rather revealing to the officer's intentions. A supervisor finally arrives, and as is standard procedure, all officers mute their body cams while they try to figure out what they can charge Jeff with.
Don't forget to tell him I got it all on video. Everything is on video.
The supervisor then asks Jeff if he can see the video, but won't allow Jeff out of his cuffs to show it. Instead, the supervisor wants Jeff to unlock his phone and give the officers full access. And at this point, I would like to remind you to never allow the police access to your phone, especially if you have evidence against them locked on it. As we have documented many times on this channel, police officers often delete footage if they feel it goes against their narrative.
Right to bill on the First Amendment to bill a public servant during the course of their duties. And that's what I do. He got butthurt, went over here, parked his car right here, hit the door. I got it all on video. At no time did I put the video in his face. He came up to me and said, I'm loitering, you're gonna go to jail if I'm leaving. I said, I don't need to tell you anything, because I don't got to answer no questions.
Okay, do you have your video with
Absolutely. Can I come out and take this out?
No, you can't take them out.
Did you get a search warrant?
Where's it at?
No, I'm not going to show you.
All right, then we're done talking. Take him, Jeff.
All right, let's go. Let's go.
Jeff is then taken to jail without allowing him to retrieve his property, which shows his complete lack of respect and reluctance to serve the public.
My laundry and my wife's personal property is in the laundry where I was at, and what am I being charged
You
with?
weren't that worried about it when you left it unattended,
What am I being
bothering
charged
me?
with? What am I being charged with?
When you were hanging out at the other property, you weren't worried about it then, were you?
About that. I can't go from one place to another. Okay, we're going to see about that.
Okay, you're going from one place to another now.
Okay, I'm done with talking to you.
Perfect.
Okay, let's go.
During his intake, The officer either drops Jeff's phone or is caught intentionally trying to damage it. Jeff was released after about 2 hours and was never cited. He had to walk over 2 hours back to the scene of the crimes against him to retrieve his laundry. He filed an official complaint against Officer Williams, but they only found that he had violated a department policy regarding approaching Jeff in his vehicle instead of on foot. Jeff has filed a federal lawsuit against Officer Williams and the city of Fairfield for excessive force, unlawful detention and arrest, violation of the Bain Act, battery, negligence, false imprisonment, and false arrest. This is now the third lawsuit against Officer Williams for excessive force. Unfortunately, litigation takes years, and this is as far as the story goes. The full unedited versions of both Jeff's and Officer Williams' body cam videos can be found on Jeff's channel. The full lawsuit, including depositions, can also be found linked below. I will provide future updates as this case evolves. However, it's likely that it won't change anything, and the taxpayers will be the only ones who suffer. A big thanks to Jeff for submitting this story. Be sure to head over to Holding Cops Accountable and let him know I sent you.
Litter on his property. Okay?
Don't worry about what I'm doing.
Don't
you
loiter.
worry about what you're doing.
Don't
Kick
loiter
rocks.
on his property.
Kick rocks.
Don't loiter on his
Okay, I'm
property.
going to stand right here. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. Don't hit me. You got your car. Your car. Your car. No, I'm not. So I'm taking out. What crime I've committed?
You're loitering on property.
I got laundry
You have
over
no
there. I
legal
got laundry.
business
Hey, don't touch me. Hey, what are you doing, dude? I got fucking laundry over there. Hey, I got laundry over there, dude.
You don't get in my face like that.
I got laundry over there. I got the fear. There's me in fear.
Put your hand behind your back.
I got laundry.
Put your hand behind your back
I
and
am.
leave it there.
I am. I got laundry over there.
Leave it there.
I am.
Put your hand behind your back.
I can't.
Leave it there.
I got resistance. I got laundry over there, sir.
Thanks for watching. If you have a video you'd like me to review, email it or send it in via Facebook Messenger. You can also view this and other content on my website. If you're new here, subscribe for future content. If you've been around for a while, remember to like, share, and comment down below of what you think of this interaction. Shirts and other goodies are available at the Teespring store linked below. Channel memberships start at just $1 if you'd like to further support the channel and get a slick lack logo next to your name. I'll see you in the next video. All links are down below.